Hello there, my name is Na and you are watching You Want We Review channel. And today video I am going to share with you the ways to make $1 to $3.50 per minute, which will be the legit online earning site and a remote work or online job that you will have in your hand with your internet connection and laptop and PC if you have. So if you have all these things, so then you can definitely work with the site, and it is very simple and easy, and it is a unique and legit method or strategy that I'm sharing in today's video. So the site is definitely a legit site and it is absolutely working. If you work consistently on the site and you just build your profile and you just have a trust on the website actually, so then you can have consistently a lot of money with that. So per minute you can have from $1 to up to $3.50 actually per minute. So it is a easy job online actually that you will have. So let's begin the strategy. Before starting the strategy or showing you the method, I would like to just like the video, comment, and if you have any question or concern, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So the website that we are talking about is simply Verbit. Verbit.ai is the website actually. So point to be noted that it is not verbit.com, verbit.ai. Okay, that is the main website actually. So that is simple website which is working on transcription and captioning, and it is a US based company actually that's working all around the world, means it's an international company. So if you are from any country around the world, so you can definitely join this website and you can work on that. So there will be transcription jobs and captioning jobs that you will add a caption to any videos or something like that. So you can do the work very simply and easily with this company. So it is a unique company actually that you will have a lot of money from that company. And the coolest part is that the biggest company around the world is working with this website actually. Like Testify is the best and unique company actually that's working with this Panopta to okay, it's working media site Max, okay, Cultura, okay. So these are the companies that they are working with this website actually, and many people they are having a lot of advantages from the website actually. If you just look to here, 100 million plus, 100 million plus dollars they have just invested in the company actually, and 22,000 on-demand professional transcribers employed. They have a 30 million plus minute transcribed in the last year. But website is since a long time. So only at the previous or last year actually they transcribed like 30 million plus minutes actually they transcribe from different people and different uh, corner of the world actually, and there are top companies on the world actually with this company. So what you need to do, this is really simple. You can go almost to the bottom right here and you can simply click on join as a transcriber. So simply click on that. So once you click on that, you will see the first page like this one, which will tell you more information like this, okay. So here you can see the option that you can add your name, your first name, your email address, your country if you are in any country actually. So you can just join that, and you can add your country into that, and then you can add your LinkedIn profile. If you don't have the LinkedIn profile, you can definitely sign up for that. That is absolutely free, and you can build your account over there or profile, and then you can add the link right away here, and then you can choose your native language. What language is that? If it is not available, so then you can definitely choose other, and you can write whatever the language you are having actually, you can add it here. And then you can scroll down a little bit and you can add, for example, do you have experience in transcribing? So of course you can say yes, okay. So then you can add other information, for example, but how did you find out about us? Okay, we've searched friends, ads, and others. So simply you can see web search or something like that, and then you can click on the submit. So once you click on the submit, see, your form will be just sent to the company and they will review that actually. So once they review, they will approve you for that, and then you can have transcription and captioning jobs very easily and comfortably with this website. And that is absolutely free. You can just sign up for that and you can work consistently and you can make a huge amount of money from that. So thank you for watching the video. Of course, you can just give a like to the video because I have just tried my best to bring you the top products and the top ways actually to make money online with these types of strategies. So you can definitely like the video, comment if you have any question. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.